Very good evening. First of all, I thank AMA, and then I decided that success of my organization and my business hangs around exports actually. Because of exports, the whole my organization got transformed, and I will like to share uh, that particular part of my journey. Exports, a catalyst in transformation. This is a subject which I have chosen. This Rare Share initiative is really excellent initiative, and I would like to thank again. I wish that this initiative continues in future. Now, why it is very important? First of all, I will not talk comparison with China, and I don't want to talk with the world scenario, Indian scenario. 35% of the export in India is by small SSI units. 35% export is by SSI units. And in Aurangabad region, there is an export of about 1,200 crores, and contribution of small scale is less than 10%. So in our region, we are not at the Indian average. That means there is a lot of scope in a small scale industry here in Aurangabad to catch up with the Indian average. Very briefly, I will go through history and background, then some initial failures and success, then how I began making rotational molding machine, then how first export order was received, then how my organization got transformed because of export, and then what is potential of our region. This will be the brief presentation which we will be going through. I was born in Jalna in a middle class Gujarati family in 1956. I did my schooling in CTMK Gujarati School in Jalna. I did my engineering from Government Engineering College, Aurangabad, in mechanical engineering in 1977. I was selected as a trainee engineer at Larsen Toubro Powai Works, Mumbai. Here I will like to just mention one point, that during, particularly there are some students also, therefore I will like to mention that during our engineering in 75, 76, for the first time I heard the word entrepreneurship, because our principal, he started entrepreneurship development program, and I am proud to say that our batch was the first batch of entrepreneurship development program in Marathwada region, and the program was started by Honorable our principal H.M. Ganesh Rao. I was placed in process development of switchgear assembly. Initially when I was selected for a switchgear division, so I thought that I am a mechanical engineer, and what I will do in switchgear actually, because it's electrical. But then after I joined Larsen Toubro, I realized the product may be electrical, but complete manufacturing is a mechanical, and the whole aspect of mechanical engineering I got opportunity to learn in Larsen Toubro. A lot of things I learned because Larsen Toubro was in a Mumbai city, and I will like to tell all the students that in life, if you get a chance to work in Mumbai city, at least spend about 1 or 2 years in Mumbai city. Apart from engineering, you learn lot in Mumbai city. Then in 1981, after 1981, I started my own unit. Here I would like to mention that 4 years of Larsen Toubro. Today also, if you come to my factory, whatever development is going on in the factory, whatever systems are there in the factory, everything has a shadow of that 4 years training, and the initial 4 years training is really very, very important. The first product which we three partners started was this electronic jigs and fixtures. So these jigs and fixtures were being imported in Larsen Toubro for their assembly department, and as during our entrepreneurship development program, हमारे प्रिंसिपल सर ने हमारे माइंड के अंदर बिठा के रखा था कि भाई आपको कुछ करना है, नौकरी नहीं करनी है, कुछ तो भी करना है करके. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम एक माइंड के अंदर बैठ गया था कि कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट दिखता था तो उसकी कॉस्टिंग निकालने का, कितना डिफरेंस है, कितने में लेकर आया, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट कितना है, रॉ मटेरियल कितना है. तो व्हाट वी फाउंड उस समय एक्चुअली 200-250 रुपए का रॉ मटेरियल था और 1400-1500 रुपए में ये इंपोर्ट होता था. There was a lot of import duty also, and then we decided यार 300 रुपए का माल यदि 1400 में बिक सकता है, तो साला अपन काय के लिए नौकरी करना है. And that is how entrepreneurship bug bit us, and we started this manufacturing and jigs and fixture. This was very, very successful product at that time, and till date also this product is being sold in India. We were three partners, and because this business was not very big, after 2-3 years I felt that this particular business does not require 3 engineers, and then because of some family compulsions also, I moved to Jalna. In Jalna actually we started in 1985 to 86 manufacturing electromagnetic relays. We developed electromagnetic relays in Jalna and started giving it to one customer in Hyderabad. But there was a problem that there was only one customer. The margins were very low, payment cycle was very erratic. There were quality issues also, and again there were 5 partners and turnover was very small. So this business could not be sustained, and we had to close down this business in 2 years' time. Then actually we developed hot water shower, air cooler, different products we developed, but group could not develop required market.